Okay, so what I typically do is just go ahead and put the 10 mil on that little, it's not a castle nut, it's like an acorn nut, I guess you'd call it. And just go ahead and loosen it up a little bit. If I don't remember which way to tighten, righty tighty, lefty loosey, dummy. And then just go ahead and unscrew everything. And you take that nut off down here at the bottom, just like that. And then just unscrew this top part here, this bolt, screw, whatever you want to call it. Not a whole lot to it. And just pull it out. I did this last year. I checked my records. I put molybdenum grease on it. Don't know that it has to have that, but that's what I put on it. So let me show you kind of what a year's typical wear looks like on these things. Like I said, I did them last February. Just checked my records and just wiping it down good. You kind of see all the yuck and stuff that's in there from the wear and tear on it. So I just like to clean it out pretty good. Doesn't have to be beautiful, spotless, you know, perfect, anything like that. Just clean it out pretty good. Get some of that old stuff off of it. And like I say, I just use, it's axle grease is what it is. Like I say, don't know if it's right, don't know if it's wrong. If I'm doing it wrong, somebody's going to correct me in the comments, I promise you. But this is what I use. Not what I used last year, but it is what I've been using. You just kind of grease it up a little bit. Like that. Doesn't have to be a lot. I mean, because when you put the screw or the bolt back down inside there, it's going to wipe most of it off. So it just sets back down in there. You can see it's starting to wad up. I don't know, you may not be able to see it. It's starting to wad up a little bit around the head here, the bottom side of the head where the threads are coming in. Again, don't get crazy tight with it. There's really no need. I'm sure you can find torque specs somewhere. And then put your little acorn nut back on the bottom. Hold because it's going to try to turn on you. There you go. That's really it. I mean, no big deal. Pretty easy to do. Just keep things running smoothly throughout the year. So just a little tip. Pretty easy to do. So, all right. Be safe. Be blessed.